Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about modular living room design ideas. If you are looking to give your living room stylish look, you are in the right place. We have got some fantastic ideas to share with you. So let's start our video. To create an open atmosphere, consider combining your living and dining areas. This means having them in the same room, which allows for a more connected and roomy feel. To avoid a cluttered look, use area rug to subway define each space. Place a rug under the living room furniture and other under the dining table. This not only adds a touch of coziness but also visual separates the two areas without the need for walls. The rugs act like gently boundaries, maintaining the open concept while providing a distinct sense of purpose for each part of the room. This approach is simple, effective, and enhancing the overall sense of security in your living areas. Choosing versatile furniture such as sofa, beds, or storage items is a smart way to make the most of a small living rooms. These pieces serve dual purpose, providing a comfortable sitting areas while also offering extra functionality. A sofa bed transforms into a bed when needed, accommodating guests without requiring extra space for a guest room. Storage items not only serve as a place to rest your feet but also provide hidden storage, helping you keep your living room organized. By option for such multifunctional furniture, you maximize the unfulness of every atoms in your limited space, creating a practical and adaptable living environment. Selecting light colored curtain is like inviting sunshine into your room. These curtains act like magic, allowing natural light to dance through, making your space brighter and more cheerful. Think of them as a gently filter the softness the sunlight, providing a harsh curly while maintaining a warm glow. Strategically placing mirrors in another trick to elevate your room brightness. Mirror play with light, bouncing it around making your space feel more open and spacious. It is like adding an extra window to your room without the construction hassles. The reflected light not only brighten dark corner but also create an airy ambience, making your living room feel more welcoming and expansive. It is simple yet effective way to enhance the natural light in your room. Bring the outdoors in by adding indoor plants to your living room, giving it a refreshing touch of nature. Choosing plants that are easy to care for, requiring minimal attention, and maintaining option for varieties like snakes plants, photos, or succulents as they thrive with little effort. These green companions not only enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space but also contribute to improve air quality by naturally purifying the air. Their low maintenance nature make them perfect for busy individual or those new to plants care. Place them in decorating pots or hanging plants to effortlessly infuse a bit of the nature world into your living areas, creating a more vibrant and inviting atmosphere. Choosing a vibrant accent wall adds excitement to your living room. Imagine one wall painted in a bold colors like deep blue or lively red. This creates a focal point that intensely grab attention and make the room more interesting. To enhance this effective, consider showcasing art of decorative items on or near the accent wall. Hang a unique piece of artwork, display a collection of framed photos, or place eye-catching decor like vases. This not only complement the bold colors but also direct for focus, turning your accent wall into captivating features that elevates the overall aesthetic of your living space. Arrange your seating so people can chat easily and adopt the setup for versus activities. Place chairs in a ways to that encourage conversation like facing each other's. This arrangement foster a social atmosphere, making gathering more enjoyable. To add flexibility, use movable chairs. These chairs can be easily repurposed based on your needs, whether you are hosting a game night, watching TV, or simple regretting for a change. Movable chairs not only enhance adaptability but also contribute to a dynamic and versatile living room. It is about creating a space where the furniture adapts to your lifestyle, making your living room both functional and inviting for any occasions. When planning for accessible outlets and tech integration in your living room, consider the ease of charging your devices and connecting technologies, ensuring there are enough electrical outlets strategically placed, converting access. This helps you power your gadgets without the hassles of sharing for outlets. To maintain a tidy appearance, hide cable and wires effectively. Use cable organizer or furniture with bullet-in cable management to keep everything neat. This is not only contribute to a clean and organized look but also minimize tripping hazard. By incorporating these simple measures, you create a tech-friendly space that is both functionality and visual appealing, making your living room a more comfortable and effectiveness environment. Mixing texture in your living room can make it feel cozy and inviting. Imagine having soft throw pillows or your sofa a warm blanket draped over the arm and a push rug under your feet. Each texture, whether smooth, fuzzy, or content, add a different feel. It is like a recipe for comfort. These texture not only make your space visually interesting but also create a sense of depth. When you have a variety of texture, it is like adding layer to your room, just like wearing a cozy sweater on a chilly day. Push its bring warmth not just in looks but it how comfortable and homely your living area. Installed modular shelving in your living room to make storage and display a breezy. These are like building blocks for your stuff where you can easily stack and arrange this thing whenever you want. Think of it a edit friendly logo for your belonging. Whether you collect books, showcase decor items, or needed a spot for your favorite board games, modular shelving adapt to your changing needs. No need to stress about fixed shelving. You can move these pieces around to fit your style and space. It is like having on customized storage playground where everything stay organized and look great just the way you like it. Creating a decided spot for your TV and media gears in your living room design. This area becomes the entertainment hub where you can enjoy movies, shows, and more. To maintain a tidy appearance, hide loose, messy wires and cables. Concealing them not only keep things organized but also contribute to a clean and sleek aesthetic. You can use cable management solution like clips or organizer to neatly tuck away the wires. This ensure that your focus remains on the entertainment and the overall look of your living room stay polished and clutter free. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share your family and friends, and subscribe for more our channel for more informative videos.